welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Charles and this is Charles' G Story Time. What are we reading today? What are we reading today? We're reading Peppa Pig Nature Trail. Let's get reading.
Peppa Pig Nature Trail. Peppa and her family are going on a nature trail. Mummy Pig asked Daddy Pig not to forget the picnic. As if I would, laughs Daddy Pig. They head off along the trail with their map. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. Mummy and Daddy Pig ask Peppa if she can see anything interesting in the forest. I don't see anything but boring trees, says Peppa. Then she looks really hard and finds some footprints on the ground. Let's follow the footprints and see who made them, says Mummy Pig. We will have to be very quiet so we don't scare anything away. Shh! Peppa and George follow the footprints along the ground. It looks like they were made by a little bird, says Mummy Pig. Soon they come to the end of the footprints. The bird has flown up into that tree, smiles Daddy Pig. Where? asks Peppa. Daddy gives Peppa binoculars to help her see the bird. Chirp, chirp! The binoculars make everything look bigger. Peppa can see 1, 2, 3 baby birds. They're eating worms, says Peppa. That's disgusting. George finds some more footprints. They are very little, Daddy Pig says. They belong to the ants collecting leaves to eat. Munch, munch. I think it's time for lunch, says Mummy Pig. But Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. My map is wrong, begins Daddy Pig. We'll have to follow our own footprints back to the car. Suddenly, it starts to rain. It washes everyone's footprints away. How are we going to find the car now? asks Mummy Pig. Ducks love picnics, says Peppa. Mrs. Duck, can you help us find our picnic, please? Quack, quack. The ducks lead Peppa and her family back to their car. We're here! Thank you for your help, Mrs. Duck, cries Peppa. I love picnics, laughs Daddy Pig. The ducks love picnics too. Quack, quack. So do the birds. And so do the ants. Munch, munch. Everybody loves picnics, cries Peppa. Okay, everyone, that's the end of the book. Bye. Wait a second. Before we go, we have to learn the word of the day. Da 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 da. Word of the day. Yay! Okay, so today's word of the day is footprints. Wait. What is footprints? Do you know what footprints are? Let's think. What are footprints? So if you walked in the park like Peppa did, you would probably leave footprints behind. Now, footprints happen when you step on something like mud or something that can stick onto your shoe. Then you walk on something else and then that thing comes off your shoe and it creates a mark depending on how your shoe depending on the pattern of your shoe, and it stays there, and that is your footprint. If you were walking with no shoes, then you would have pretty dirty shoes. And if you walked in mud, then came out, then walked on concrete, your foot would hurt a lot. Also, your footprint would look like your foot. But if you were wearing shoes and you walked in the mud and then you came out and walked on concrete, the footprint would look on depending on what pattern is on your shoe. So that's the word of the day, footprint. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Hope you liked the video and the book. Please click the subscribe button down below and like. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye.